common mistake that people have is the fact that you just can't throw this in the back of your truck. A lot of the guys are used to using acrylic material that you pick up at Home Depot or somewhere, and you can just throw it in the back of your truck, but this stuff has to be supported. You know, we generally haul it like you glass haulers on an A-frame, but just to throw this in the back of your truck, it's gonna break or it's gonna warp really badly in the sun. It'll just be contoured the bed of your truck. So, you know, the flatter the better, the more supported the better. That's the way to go. Oh shoot, I broke the panel. Crap. How many weeks does it take to get these bad boys from Utah? Oh man, what do we do? Do I call the boss? Oh shoot. Horrible. All right, we ship material to you on these A-frames, and they're a great way to transport the material. So when you get it to your shop, offload the material. A couple guys can load this in the back of a truck on a flatbed trailer, transport your material to the job site. It's wonderful. It takes 2 guys to load these up, and we're going to show you how. But now you've got this rack in the back of a truck or on a flatbed trailer. Secure it down with straps. Put your material back on here, clamp it down, strap it down, haul it to the job site. Safe, secure, no breakage. So you want to load up the biggest panel first, and then your next panels as the sizes go down. And the reason for that is if you've got your biggest panel on the outside, it'll warp over the top, or if you clamp it too tight, it'll break. You want to make sure they're tight against the rack. You can run straps around the outside. You know, it's being all the way right here, you can put some pony clamps to secure it. But the secure the better, the flatter the better.